Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm just gonna do like a quick recap of today's trade. We did, I believe we did two trades, but I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that was the main one. In this case scenario, this is the 1 minute chart. This is before New York session was opening up. There's actually a PO3 that gave me a level right here that was accumulation. We had this manipulation, we have this internal liquidity high before it officially got swept. Now that's also where in the 1 hour time frame you guys could see that we rejected right on the 1 hour bearish fair value gap, which is right here. And I was saying if we could close above this 705, right, we could take longs potentially, right? If we close above this during New York, we could potentially get this to the upside. So with that being said, we broke out, but this was not during New York. New York session is about to open up around 9:30. So in like 30 minutes, we'll be able to see if market could hold this price and we could get this level to be retested, so we could go and play the long side for the upper level liquidity. So if I'm pretty much in this point, I'm already seeing this accumulation range. We're already inside a bearish fair value gap, and the high time frame is rejecting. Like on the 15 minute, you see there's no closure above; it's still rejecting. So it's giving me kind of an idea where that market could potentially reverse and target back to the London lows, which is down here at 25,552, which is one of the levels that we were waiting to see if price could come back and retest. With that being said, I was also looking at a high time frame 15-minute gap. You can see this is the accumulation zone, and this is the gap before the last leg up that made the significant move. So it was around 634, which is a level that I called out to see if we could short this to potentially play to the downside here. Liquidity. There's also liquidity here, and there's also liquidity down here. So these are the three levels of I'm looking for. Longs above 705, shorts below 634. So then when the market opened up, I already have my bias right here saying that, okay, we accumulated, we manipulated, and this could be a potential short on the high time frame 15-minute, right? So I'm just gonna wait for price action to see what it does from this point on. So I'm going to let it play out. Clearly see market is coming down, right? It's being bearish. It's respecting this 1 hour gap, and I also know that because when you look at the 15-minute, right, from the 1 hour to the 15, you can see, look, rejection, right, coincidentally with the 1 hour fair value gap. So this is a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. You go down to the 15, you're looking at it, look, rejection. So now I want to simply see. I could have entered off of this gap here, but I was just waiting because these wicks were pretty high at the opening. So I wanted a better confluence. So we just want a piece of that pie, and that's simply it. So I'm gonna be looking for shorts below this level at 634. TPs are all the way down here. We scalped it twice. We caught one for 24 points, and the second trade we caught the short again for 50 points, in totaling 70 points. However, if we were to do in one trade, it was 82 points. So I'm going to let this play out, and we're going to wait for a candle closure below this 634 to enter that trade. So we got the close here. We got the retest. We're going to take the sell. Stop loss at the highs. TPs to the lows right here. Stop loss at the highs. Right? So 50-point risk to reward to make 80 points. We're going to let this trade go out. So we're also bearish because we have the accumulation. The manipulation is to the high. We have the inversion gap on the 15-minute bearish. Bullish fair value gap that's going to get inversed. So we have that disrespect, and we want to see this play out. That's it. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution from this inversion gap. There you go, 82 points. Simple as that, guys.